Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another segment called Answer This. Now, Gage have a new song named Good Zoom Zoom Girl Must Get Things. Somewhere downtown. And you know it's only natural for me to walk around and ask the people them, do they agree or do they disagree? So let's check out what them have to say and answer this.
Good, but
Alright, so the song say good zoom zoom girl must get things. You agree with it?
Yeah, man.
Why you agree?
Big man thing still. Some girl think not good and them still a get. You see it? Much as if I think good, get good. You see me? Yeah. If I think good, you have to make fear thing good too.
Alright, so if I book up a girl yet and it done good and you still have to go fork out some things and give her?
Once I get the crutches still, I ever give her still. You see it?
Aww. Are you kind like that?
Yeah.
Name the last girl where you get things.
Jaja.
Jaja City, Jaja Town, them want fit on it in a cowboy town.
Oh, Jaja come from? Jaja Valentine's Day, come up in here. You get your present yet? Where Jaja come from? Jesus Christ, wifey and mate, you go war now. Alright, so I'm there with my friend, Elaine. Elaine, Gage have a song named Good Zoom Zoom Girl Must Get Things. Do you believe that?
Every woman must get things. All women overall. From you as a woman and you have a man, you must get things.
A lie. Whether you're good or bad.
Whether you're good or bad.
So name the last man will give you things.
All of whom ever talk to give me things, but the last one is the current one now, Andrew. Andrew.
Andrew, where Andrew there?
Chicago.
wasn't me.
So him there, Chicago by himself or by him other woman?
I not go tell you say him not have nobody up there, boy. Anybody him there beside of me, there on him mind.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, you know that you have to text them on your phone for proof it?
Yeah.
Go on your phone right now and show them when I love you, text them. No. Alright, so Gage have the song that say, good zoom zoom girl must get things. You agree with it, brother?
Yeah, I agree with it still. Not still. Some of them.
Jesus Christ, I love you, Elaine.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see you again.
Yeah.
Those luscious lips of yours.
Yeah.
And your warm embrace. No, yeah. Elaine, you're going to. You're going, Elaine. What a way to sweet you.
I mean, you're million. Can't change.
Gage have one song named Good Zoom Girl Must Get Things. Do you agree?
Well, yeah, from girl good, you know. And from a girl good, yes, give her what she forget. You see me, I say, if a girl not good, well, she not deserve nothing at all. She just go look for some work or do some things or to try to turn up her thing. You see me, I say, but from she good, she deserve it.
Good girl forget things, yeah. Good girl forget things, yeah. Me would buy a girl a house and buy a girl a car.
Oh, you know, say the Guzum they kind of special, certain way, and say she would deserve forget, you know, a little mining. What about it?
Well, from she go on a bag of things and she take care of you.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
She take care of your house thing and wash your clothes and turn up your little thing.
You believe, say, that true?
Yeah, man.
So what smells so like it just you remember one girl though?
Yeah.
And would baby mother? The girl on the side?
Girl on the side.
The girl on the side, so she have the things are good.
Yeah.
So how you know say good? What make you can detect say good?
The experience, man.
Yeah, so like when you go there want me.
Tight, man.
Jesus Prem.
Now study nothing but to get me backyard. Yo, me have to laugh.
Alright, so we're there with Popstar and Ricky Downtown, and the question is, Gage have a song will say, good zoom zoom girl must get things. You agree with it?
Well, I know a real talk still. Yeah. From the girl, them good, them forget things.
Yeah, true.
Depends on what kind of things still.
Yeah.
Ricky, what kind of things?
Yo, right now, good things, girl forget, man.
Phone say that pay a girl rent.
Yeah.
The full rental for $50,000, you make sure that she good.
From she good like that, we pay it, man. I don't at all, man, we pay it, man.
Alright, so I'm there with a brother downtown named Jason. Jason the song, good. Something that girl must get things. You agree with it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know when a girl something good.
But
oh, you know when you reach her, oh, you know it good.
The feelings.
Feelings, so deep in my feelings.
Come to you and say, Jason, I want a little money for go do me here. You gotta make sure that she sort out.
Yeah.
And if she say, alright, if you can pay me rent, you gotta make sure that she sort out.
Yeah, if me have it, yes, straight.
Popstar, so all you know when the girl good. All you know say when there's something special, certain way.
Alright, what you know now? Oh, you know when it good?
Yeah.
Alright, you know when you go to church on Sunday, you get that spirit. You see, if you're not getting a spirit, let me not think she have nothing to forget,
So
my
that
boss.
means say you catch your goalie ghost while you're down in a one girl.
Yeah, man, so you know so things come out of pocket now, you know?
What the name of the last girl that make you catch in a spirit then?
Buy a acre land with a big mansion. Put on the ring of some of them thing.
No, watch out, hold on, cut, hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, what go on, man? What go on?
Can't pass. Phone a friend. So
You can't call the name, man. You can't call the name. Looking at your WhatsApp now. Where the last girl when you tell come over your yard? Where you say everything?
In baby mother.
What the name of the last girl where make you catch in a spirit?
No, my wife, man.
Oh, your
Wife, yeah, come is a married man, you know.
Okay, so big Valentine's Day, come big up your wife.
Long time.
Okay, no, you can't call the wife name.
Sure.
What your wife name?
Tiara Grant.
Okay, big up yourself, Tiada.
Yeah.
So you can call the name now. Him have wife, so you have to call your name now.
Yeah, watch a seat. Oh, see thing a drop down. Alright, watch it up. Watch it up, my general. Hold on, make up. Watch it up. Yeah. Hold on, start from back.
Ask for the name. We ask for the name. What the name of the girl? We make a catch in the spirit.
Alright, man, for big up my baby mother, Jordan Hyde, you know? Yeah.
So she?
Yeah, man, a she, man. After she, you want nobody else. Hey.
Which girl said a lie a while ago? Jesus, oh yeah.
Man, I will co-worker.
Yo, oh, you're so hot, so.
So question, what the most you ever give a girl just because you know say she kind of good certain way?
No, say, we open a bar already still.
Wow. And the baby mother that are one different girl?
Baby mother, man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And you say you pay rent already?
Yeah, man, we pay the rent, man.
$70,000,
Yeah, man, we pay the rent, man. And do them nails to them and everything, man. You see me, I say, but a one woman alone never do that for still.
Yeah.
One. I'm a
And
wife.
wife and baby mother?
Yeah.
What the most you ever give a girl just because our thing kind of set away?
Well, you don't know about all them 205 and them things there, you see?
What you say, 2-0?
205, you know?
Jesus Christ. Wow. Alright, so I'm there with Johnny's, right? Gage have a song with name Good. Zoom Zoom Girl Must Get Things. You believe in that?
I'm sure them girl forget money from them good.
Yeah, so how you know say you good?
Me know me good cause the boy them tell me.
I know one, I know two.
One, how old you?
So you know said confirm.
Yeah,
Alright.
sure.
So you ever deal with a man yet and the man don't give nothing at all?
Yes, my love, I'm here for move him up, my love. Cause I don't work with them thing them, my love.
None of them type of man there for
No,
2019?
my love, a different man, me say with money.
Yeah.
Money in a hand.
So you want for them mobility on the North Coast and them type of life they got
all
Dubai,
boats,
Italy.
Yeah, on the boat, all boats.
Yeah.
Different settings.
So what kind of things you do when a man provide for you a certain way? What kind of things you do for him to make him feel special?
Boy, you don't know the thing. Babes are going.
Oh yes.
All the day.
I saw you
I
talking.
want to meet you, you know,
Jesus,
yeah.
wow.
I went out tonight. Yeah.
And when you see him,
Same
look
way.
on him, look on the camera like, show the eye, them like, oh Jesus, yeah man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see like, oh, me don't really have much now. Come back no man. Come back no man. You see because me don't really have much. Me don't really have much, but me hear you mention earlier something about cash pot.
Yeah,
so me
more
gonna
than
put a
cash
thing,
right now.
me gonna put a thing towards the
Jesus
cash pot.
Christ, yeah,
So you
just
can't
like
say me
that,
never give. And you go win.
And me I go
You
win.
hear people today I do how much?
Today?
The fifth or sixth. The fifth. And a 5 o'clock draw right now go
Yeah.
for. So we are gonna win the $20 and we can link
Yeah,
it
we
after.
are going to win the 20 V. 100
And we can go down and ribbies and go
100
eat our food and
yeah,
them some
and go
of them.
down a Gloria's, go
Yeah.
eat the good fish.
The good
yeah.
food and them something. Take care.
Yeah, take care too. And enjoy your day.
So I'm there with the General Norman Downtown. So Gage have the song with name, Good Zoom Zoom Girl Must Get Things. Do you agree with that?
Boy, I don't know, but I know that word. I don't really go with that. If she forget things, that's how you go. Make it stop her.
Yeah.
What is fair is fair.
So once you take up a woman now and she good certain way,
man,
you
when
know
you take up on me.
if she need for do her ear, you're gonna give her a little
Yeah, man, no one she look good, man. I look nice, man. I hear me a woman that I want you.
Yeah, because she'll reflect you at the end of the day.
Yes, because you can't make your man look flap. You have to make your man look good. You make man see her, say we like how you want to see her.
Exactly. Where the last woman where you say, yeah, dead woman here, she good. Call her name.
Well, a long time now, you know.
A long time in that game. You look like you're a long time girl, listen. A long time in that game.
A long time now. No
See
for
the
them,
man
I can't
touch
tell you
her,
what going on.
watch your ear drill up on them something there.
I can't tell you, because none of us say, because I hold up a woman, but right now, I kind of
ease down.
Yeah, easy. I have a big man now.
So what you think? You think say like, you think say the younger woman them greater than they were probably the older woman them. Like, who you think are running
No,
nowadays?
let me tell you, see the young girl them.
Yeah.
Young girl them have some they call vibe, them not straight.
Oh,
but see the
yes.
first time woman them them know the movement, but them
know the things them.
Yeah, but them
young girl
them just up and down.
You hear
Them not
that?
settle. Them not settle.
You hear that?
Yeah.
When don't settle down, you millennial girls.
Yes.
Millennial girls. Yeah. Somebody there with Fireline from Unruly Skankers, and so Gage have a song and it named Good Zum Zum Girl Must Get Things. Do you agree?
Yeah, we agree, so them forget things.
What kind of things them deserve?
All different type of things. Once you're in a girl in a relationship, what you expect. You have to take care. If you not take care, you should definitely go give up on. That's how the thing said.
Yeah, but what happens if you bought the girl now and the thing don't good?
What thing don't good?
The underneath, man, the little guzums, the tightness, they're not really there. Do you still go all out and make sure that you're good?
Nah, man, you have to just leave left that, man. It don't make no sense. And that's why enough, man, give them one bun, you know. You have to test the waters before you even married or even put on the ring, you know. Because after a while, you come like say you can't please the man or the woman even. The man even can't please the woman.
Yeah.
So we have to make sure so the welcome part, the chemistry have to there. You understand? Every time you do it, it come like say the first year I do it for. And that's how the thing said.
You also come first place in a class.
Every time.
Man speech well eloquent and all of these things. Jesus Christ.
But
anyway, question, because since you're so eloquent, more to hear this, and more you answer like, you know, like you're the governor general or something like that.
Know.
How do you determine when the thing down there so good? How do you know for say, yeah, what you look for, what kind of criteria the girl have you can tell say it good?
You know, it's a big thing someone are going with. Boy, I just the feelings, you know. Just the feelings.
Feelings, so deep in my feelings.
You don't know, you have to have the grip.
Oh,
you get what me and say? Yeah, every time you go there, it just feel tight. You see what me and say?
So name what the name of the last girl that have the tightness there?
Boy, man, I said the name of the last girl of the tightness, say, you know, say it's too far.
Jesus Christ, that means so you can't call the name, you're getting a problem.
No,
just call the name. Nobody now watch this, nobody now watch Duttyberry.
No, I say it going about, nobody now watch Duttyberry. You see when time your thing out there, your thing shut a road, you know. My thing is, my lifestyle, I don't put my lifestyle on social media, nowhere at all. So when a man start ask something personal now, about my lifestyle now, it now go out there, none at all. Don't put it on Facebook, social media, WhatsApp,
man.
nothing, because what? Me just decide say if I just work me I do, my work go out there, but anything want to do with relationship, if you keep in a relationship over there, in your house, it now go out the road. You understand what I mean? So my thing different from any other else thing. Everybody do them thing different.
People look for lion over here, so there's a lion. You need for going to representational politics or something. Because them type of speech bigger than downtown.
Bigger than downtown.
Them type of speech used to look good in a school and them something.
Good in a school.
Yeah, man, look at them people that used to have the one bag of badges. Person.
You understand? Yeah.
So you have somebody right now?
No, I'm lonely now because I'm from Cuba, but I grow in Jamaica. But
you're there Jamaican, you don't book up on Jamaican girl yet?
Yes, but not here. It's Sligo Bill.
Oh.
But now, me and I kind of separate to our family, but a good girl.
The family don't like you?
No, our family say, hey, he's a Cuban and take things from him. He's
they might tell you about macadam and treatment. Macadam have a song with, you know, like take man, pan him and all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So they might give her bad advice.
Yeah, that then say, burn him.
Yeah, so you hear about it, man.
You understand, hey, man.
So last question, like how you think that the Jamaican girl is different from like the Cuban girl?
Well, me tell you something. You see, the Jamaican culture
is
kind of different from the Cuban culture. Because when you're coming from work, in Cuba, when you come from work and you're tired, as you sit down, as you sit down, the woman come rub it, how you feel.
Massage your foot and them something there.
Yeah, how you feel. But in Jamaica now, when you come from work and you sit down now, more tired if you tell a woman then, come rub me off and rave it. But
as a reach from my stress.
Yeah. But ask me tell you still have some good Jamaica, but the culture is very different.
Good girl forget things, yeah. Good girl forget things.
What make a girl deserving of it?
Why?
Like they giving the things them.
Why?
Yeah.
From them good, you know, you have to just work with them. Because you can't live without them.
So what kind of quality? How you know when it good?
Why? Sometimes it make you want to kill them.
Jesus.
Make you all want mad.
You have a ball because you not get the guzums no more?
What you mean?
Oh, say name is Junglis. Oh, you get name the boss?
Just people give me name, sir. Show me live a jungle.
Oh, okay. Big up yourself. Yeah, how much?
Eh?
Yeah, how much?
63.
You know Macadam, man?
What you mean, man?
Macadam and 77, you and I used to go basic school together?
No. I should go basic school.
Alright, so Gage, one dancehall artist, him have one song named Good Guzum Girl Must Get Things. Okay, so when a girl good, you must, take little money and mine her. You believe in that?
I mean, man. Girl forget money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a rent and them something they give her ear and nails and them things.
Yeah.
Some want to if it don't good.
If it don't good, she go one side.
Jesus Christ, just get parked like round here, so.
I mean, park like old truck.
Yeah, right. That means you have a woman right now?
Yeah.
You have a woman right now?
I mean, man, I must have a woman. Every man is supposed to have a woman,
Alright, so what make you deal with the woman there? Because everything good?
Yeah, right now everything good. She deal with me alright and everything.
So me don't want to be disrespectful, but like, yo, me hear say like after 60, like people stop have sex. Are true?
Well, I don't know about that. I know about myself.
So you tell me say you still go on with the things then?
They must. Ever.
So you not plan for stop?
For what?
So it's a young girl you're there with?
Young enough.
Young enough? Like a 50-year-old woman?
Yeah, my age group.
I'm going to set you up on Macadam, man, alright?
No, well, you see, Macadam and a dancehall thing.
Okay, so you like, a nice woman,
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to find somebody for you.
I will take care of it,
Okay, alright, boss.
Thanks.
Girl inna the body ride a murder. You must want the DJ charge for. I beg. Girl inna the body ride a murder. You must want the DJ charge for. I beg. Girl inna the body ride a murder. Me a tell you no savage.
Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Answer This video. Now the question was, you believe say good Zoom Zoom Girl Must Get Things? You don't know, check out the song by Gage. The information is going to be in the description down below. But we want only for answer in the comments. So if you like the video, you know the thing go, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and also if you're new, make sure say you go and subscribe. But anyhow, take care until next time. Answer this. Alright, anybody want to big up?
We want big up pop star.
Well, first of all, I want to big up Father God.
Make it possible.
Shout out to all of my fans,
Yeah.
everybody that make it possible here today.
Right, no,
The entire Downtown fraternity, Big up Shane Branks over there, Troy down at town, big up Uncle around and part around this at show store. Stungish in there today, but if big up said way. Fiona, you don't know everything, set us scary. You know, Chris Checkers. Alright, we now done the film. You see me I say, Ricky down at town, yeah, big up my baby mother, Jadan. Alright, you see me I say?
Just a big up the whole fans say Ricky Dongaton. Cause some of them say Dongaton and don't mean it. You see me I say? So who say Dongaton big it up here? And the good things them they are town. So if you want the good things them, just come at town. That's it.
Things said, Valentine's Day, big up Shadine Bennett. You get what me and say? Yeah, straight. And you don't know, big up my mother, straight. And big up the whole team, straight. And guess what? Big up Vodka, and big up Blowout, Annual Skankers, and Ultimate Girls. And guess what again? Me no support Valentine's, and me no celebrate Valentine's. Big up yourself.
You can't big up your baby mother, man. So she show good now. She can walk out and dance now. I know say her man tell her say her something good and proper. Where your baby mother name?
Jody and she name.
Alright, so all of the mate to them, your name can't get called. One dancer artist have one new song. Right?
I don't know my name.
Hold on. One dancer artist him name Gage, right?
Hold on.
Jesus.
Lock up.
Girl inna the body ride a murder. You must want the DJ charge for. I beg. Girl inna the body ride a murder. Me a tell you no savage on